Macy's.com. How to log in on Macy's. If you wish to log in on Macy's, open your browser and go to Macy's.com. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. When you have done that, from the top of the screen you can see the big black button that says sign in. So click on the sign in button over there. Now if you don't have created a Macy's account, on the right hand side you can click on the create account button to follow the instructions and finish creating your account. But if you wish to sign in, simply make sure to enter your email address that is associated with your Macy's account. And after you've done that, you also want to make sure to enter your password. Then, if you want to see what password you typed in, you can click on the show button. If you forgot your password, you can click on the forgot your password button. But if all your details are correct, if you click the sign in button, you'll be successfully signed into your Macy's account. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.